Yeah.
Eh, mama no tumi nya adwuma na mo wane nko. Why? Ni asum toyen.
Opa chese honorable Linda Okulu ontumi nya adwuma na onfa ne niema engu ho. Onfa ne niema engu fom na onje adwuma nto.
In office, all these things should be fixed. Within 50 days in office.
All the street lights
Yes.
in Accra.
Okay, Abusian within the Ghanafuo artists na ha. Here Ghana Asem TV. You best say, subscribe to the channel and move my join share brown comment section. Ya make sure baby. Abusian Linda Okulu Honorable Greater Accra Regional Minister. You see, a jumana ye di ashene nsano. A jumana afuno on to me nye jumana. This woman or catcher say we should give her 50 days. Or say yes, any in per your man 50 days. She will make sure say Accra na be clean and I say Accra will be bright. Abusia, uko Accra there, uko Accra na soon. Accra, it's very very dark in Accra. Abusia, and no Ghanafuo say David a jumana ya dia show and I promise na wo de no. And she said you can't do the work. It will be fair and fair for Ghanaians say Oba be catch say you are sorry one can ye nti adwuma no utumi nye na emfe yempe obi foforo no ye adwuma no abusiafo umma yenko na yenko tie dia maami no o ka kire ye eni nsema Ghanafuo ek say on resign ye ba ye better ya me shira.
Yeah.
Eh, maami no tumi nya adwuma na mo wane nko. Why? Ni asum toyen.
Opa chese honorable Linda Okulu ontumi nya adwuma na onfa ne niema engu ho. Onfa ne niema engu fom na onje adwuma nto.
Maami mo ma hene ne nso abaso ahemfo na ewo brekum no. What can leadership no?
Yes,
what
course.
It means is that
of course, yeah.
Make us and me you want free. What it means is that F0r.
It means that ahemfo no so no any abampenifo na ka
Set me up.
Se ekru no ye de ye mbe de.
Driving from the center of the city, baby, a runabout you were many areas needing. They come mekom. Me said that driving, e ko parke, ko mekom, ko to ade, me bani nyina me start se me twa. Mame mo brekum fo a mo won kran abaso. Na me mo ahemfo no wo mo MCE, wo mo regional minister, wo mo MP, me mo abaso.
Because
this is so nice.
Yes.
Now, Kwame, aside street light na wuhu na, ye dwuma sisu srema kroni mo ofre no. Wuhu fi wa abonten.
Ekro no ye neat.
Ah, massa.
Ekro no mo ye neat.
What are you talking about?
This
is brekum.
Yes.
Brekum, asam ne yeka.
It means that ekro no mo na ye neat no. Law na so mo enforce say Emma obi emfa ball engu basa no. They enforcing the law.
Na driver na me man no so me take car no passenger side ne front. Ana me de me phone na ana me di twa. Funny enough, interestingly, I say ade na ye part of their life. Enti omo kro mo adwen kra nse da anye den. Enkoso. Enti ye kwa na bi say na chale ade na mu kro ne mu ofesa. I say, hey boss, once what can sempa the okay madwin kra nye den. So what it means is that a part of their lifestyle. And you know when they say a normal
say ekonomu
beti na nkania ni ye adwuma. Normal. But baby I me free ba na ye national capital na nkra na me ti am ye adwuma no.
Enye normal sa.
Enye normal sa nkra ni mu ye sum.
Enye normal sa.
Enti me kodru ho na me hu nkania no. Many say I mean a chrono emu be
baby a ofi ba no nkania ni ho.
Nkania ni ho. I said they want the sumwa yes so light ba mama who they were excitement
yeah.
And that is how I felt. And me try video no obi say boss I say oh how who do and I'm say me ha me who do say and this is it. And we must begin to learn some of these things. Near making sure say this country is progressive. Kwame, when him tia muni nyina is because ye tuyan kane aka for street light. Oh
yes, ye tuya pa.
Ye the data ne beto so sia. Na wo ye Ghana ni na wo tuya prepaid, wo tuya postpaid. We will look at how much I will contribute for street lighting.
Yeah. Omoto pa. Omoto.
Now omoto ye sika ni wi a. Street lights now, one more fix it, I won't cry. They don't fix it.
Yes. And for bia. And for bia, Kwame, and for bia. obi an dino obi ho because edwuma na ye de ahye nipa nsa no obi a wo ho no ma there are some other people I said they need to make sure say accountability ye edwuma obi a enforce obi a wo accountability ye edwuma because on friend in bisa na say edwuma na me share won nsa no akozi say on frɛ entino enka as a regional minister during your vet no share bono and at least enforce your MCs to do the needful to making sure that a chrome lighter and ye jumano it will be fixed. But what's the other? Yes, what's the other?
This is Bekum. Oh, mama joining your Facebook, no. Oh, to your radio. So this is Bekum. A drew weekend. Kwame, my main case a drew weekend. Now we pay baby. I will call me a piece of mind. Offer flight. Esi Sunyania. Who drew Sunyania? Sunyani to Bekum is just about 15 to 20 minutes drive. Now and the city, the town is so nice. It's so beautiful.
And we need a more neat. I think
Anajo 1 a.m. na abobo ya for your mukwe. One more year juma.
Obia
because Kania shrink.
And Kania Obia into Wugwa in Paboninia or Oba say Obaba attacking no. Obi who attack you. Obi watch you. What's because so
what's in Grahanum driving V8, you know, a couple of workers here. You are not getting the job done. The job is there instead of you to focus. Accra your thing how. The job is there. I was so central municipality. Why woman you now want cry?
Omuna won't cry here.
Because you are cried here, send cried here. I had developed that. I had developed that. And one vision be
and I don't that Yaman can get to be honoma. Na what bemuntem, then you fix it. A developer that. Bibian ho bima, Obaba Yaka home. And to be in Honoma or Yaka hodia, and your fault in kitting Kitibiba. Quickly, no some. Quickly, no son, why?
You're serious. I mean, you're serious.
In office, all these things should be fixed. Within 50 days in office.
All the street lights.
Yes,
in
not even all, but we'll make sure that majority, at least 70% of it, should be fixed.
Right.
I mean, the issue about street hawkers has come to your attention, where the street hawkers now are taking major part of the roads, contributing to traffic on the street. Are we going to see the radical driving away of street hawkers as we've seen under previous ministers?
Yes, in fact, I said it earlier that we are going to enforce the law. So we are going to use the task force of the MMDAs and the security services to do that.
Will you sustain this? We've seen in previous occasions they do it once, twice, and they come back.
We will sustain it, my dear.
Let's talk about floods. Let's talk about floods. Flooding has been a major challenge.
Please.
The question is about flood issues every year in Accra. How are you going to address that?
Thank you so much. The last time I granted an interview, I said there is an ongoing project that we started in 2019 called Garage. This project is to work on the drainage around the Odor Basin. So I'm trusting that when we liaise with the stakeholders involved to fast track this project, I believe it will resolve the issue of flooding. Again, like I said, the inappropriate practices. And that one is the assembly, the the DCs are supposed to ensure, because before someone can build, I mean, the person should come for permit. How do you give permit without even giving guidelines to that person? So we are going to ensure that before they even give the permit, let's see where the person bought the land, whether it's convenient or it's not convenient for the person to build. So these are some of the things we are going to check. And like I said, I'm going to work together with the MMDAs and make sure that all these things are resolved. If we are able to do this, my dear, trust me, flooding issues within the Greater Accra, even Ghana as a whole, will reduce.
Which means the